Hello friends, welcome to Abhyanvi Tutorials. So in this video in Python certification in lab, so we have to solve one interesting problem. So its difficulty level is medium. Okay, so we have to use the for while loop. Okay, and break or continue anything is required. We have to use that. So scenario is we have to build a pyramid. Okay, wall pyramid. So each layer consists of one block more than previous layer. Okay. For example, if you take the bottom one, 3 is more than 2 and 2 is more than 1. Okay. Each layer is one block more than previous layer. And the input is the here number of blocks. Okay. And the output is the height of the pyramid. For example, if you take 6 blocks, then 3, 2, 1. Height is 3. Okay. So you have to display the height as 3 output. For example, if you are not able to make these blocks in this pattern like one more than the previous layer, at that point of time you have to stop the building the pyramid and take the previous height. Okay. For example, two blocks are there. So first we'll keep two here, one, two here, and above one we can't keep, right? It will become three. So that time it will become one above one. So that time you have to stop and take the height as one. Okay, guys. So we'll write the code now. Let's say sum equal to 0. Okay, and height equal to 0. Okay. Then we'll use the while loop. Okay, so while sum is not equal to blocks, right? Input is our number of blocks. So sum is not equal to blocks, then sum equal to sum plus I. Okay, and here I equal to I plus 1. Why I equal to I plus 1? Each time we have to increase one block and add it to the sum. Okay, so first block will be 1. Second, we have to add 2. Then we have to add 3. That's why we have to increment I by 1. Then we have to add it to the sum. Okay, then when we are adding each block, we have to increase height by 1. So height equal to height plus 1, right? So this is our code. Okay, so but here is a catch. When in case of 2, if you take, okay, so if you take 0 is not equal to 2, then sum equal to sum plus 1. Here I equal to 1, right? So in case of 2, 0 is not equal to 2, then sum equal to 0 plus 1, 1. Then 1 not equal to 2, then I is by 1, so sum equal to 1 plus 2. Then sum equal to 3. But here blocks are only 2. So that time we have to exit, right? So for exit, we have to write one condition. What is that? If sum is greater than blocks, okay, then break, right? So this is our code. Let's run this code and see the results. So what is set? First one is 6. So input the 6, then output is 3, correct? Okay. Then input is 20, so output is 5. Then input is 1000, output is 44. So in Excel we'll see this 1001. Okay. So 1, then go up to, let's say, 44, right? You go up to 44. Okay, then that is 990. Okay, if you go one more block of series, one more line of blocks, then it is 45, right? So it is 1035. That's why I used here condition. Whenever sum is greater than number of blocks, we have to break it. So at this point, we have to break it and take the previous side. That is 44. Okay. So that's what we are doing here. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyanvi Tutorials for more such amazing Python certification videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.